In today's video, I will show you how you can run your Lovable projects locally on your PC. To get started, you can use the first link in the description to open Lovable and create your free account. This will ensure that you get 25 credits for free to get started. After you have signed in, you will see an interface like this, where you can enter your prompt and build your projects. Now, to run our project locally on our PC, we first need to download the code files of our project. You can see this is a project that I built, which is a portfolio website. There are two different methods to download the project files. The first method is to open the code section from here. I will open some of the files, and you can see these are the code files. You can go through each file individually and click the download icon to download it. Once all the files are downloaded, you can organize them into the proper folder structure. However, this is a very lengthy process. The second and much easier method is to connect your Lovable account to GitHub. I've already made a detailed video showing how you can connect your Lovable account and your projects to GitHub. Once your project is synced with GitHub, you will be able to see all your project files there. You can see this is the Creative Hub project that I built inside Lovable. Simply click on the Code button and download the zip file containing all of your project files. Once the zip file has been downloaded, click on it to open it directly. Now, right-click on it and extract all the files. You can see these are all of our project files. Now, before we can run the project locally, we need to install Node.js. Open any browser and search for Node.js. Open the official website and click on Download Node.js. Scroll down, and you will see the available download options. Since I am using a Windows operating system, I will select Windows and choose the 64-bit architecture. After making the necessary selections, click on the Windows installer, choose where you want to save it, and click Save. Once the installer has been downloaded, open it by double-clicking on it. You will now go through the Node.js setup wizard. Simply click Next and complete the installation process just as you would for any other application. Since I already have Node.js installed on my PC, I won't go through the installation process again. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, to make sure Node.js has been installed successfully, open the command prompt by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Inside the command prompt, type node-v and press Enter. It will display the version of Node.js currently installed on your computer. The next step is to install all the required project dependencies. Open the folder where your project files were extracted, right-click anywhere inside the folder, and click Open in Terminal. In the terminal, type npm install and press Enter. If you receive an error like I did, don't worry, there's a very simple fix. Just run this command, you will find it in the description, and then run npm install again. After waiting for a few moments, you will see that all the required dependencies have been successfully installed. Now it is time to open the project inside VScode. There are two ways to do this. You can simply open VScode and drag your project folder into it, or you can right-click inside the project folder, click Open in Terminal, type code space dot, and press Enter. Your entire project will now open inside VScode. As you can see, all of our project files are available here. To run the project, click on Terminal and then select New Terminal. If you see a prompt asking whether you trust the folder, click Trust Folder and continue. Once the terminal opens, type npm run dev and press Enter. Wait for the localhost server to start. This process may take a few moments. If you receive a pop-up asking for permission, click Allow. Once the server has started, you will see a localhost link in the terminal. You can either copy and paste this link into your browser, or simply click on it and click Follow Link. As you can see, our project is now running locally on our PC, and it works perfectly just as we created it. Since we are running the project locally instead of using Lovable hosting, you will also notice that the Made with Lovable badge is not visible. So, this was how you can run your Lovable project locally on your PC. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you want to get free credits inside Lovable, you can use the first link in the description to create a brand new account, and it will give you free credits to start building your own projects. If you want to know how you can get a discount on Lovable's paid pricing plans, then you can check out the video appearing on your screen right now.